Hello. So today is our first week working on digraphs. I just went to the Google Classroom and then I clicked on today's date, and this should come up for you on today's date. We're working on digraphs, which is those two-letter combinations at the beginning of a word. And there's also TH that's voiced and unvoiced in this group. I don't have any TH words on this activity, but we will be doing the TH voiced and unvoiced as well. So on this one, you're just going to sort the words. So whiz, whiff, fish. And the digraph could be at the beginning of the word. It could be at the end of the word. You're just going to sort them with the group that they go in. Then today, the first one that you have, I've typed all your words over here because there's some questions that you need to answer about your words. So how many words from the sort end with SH digraph? So you're going to want to write how many. So there's a little box that you click on and you'll just write how many end with SH. So I'm going to go 1 for fish, 2 for wish, 3 for trash. Okay, I'm going to double check that. Trash, wish, and fish. So I see 3, so I'm going to type a 3 right there in the box. Then it says write the words from the sort that end with PH. So one word would be graph. I'm not going to tell you the other word because I want you to find it and fill the next word. So each one of these questions, you'll go through, you'll answer them, and you'll type the answer. Okay? That's how you do the Tuesday spelling for the digraphs. Good luck.